Look at that! Who's that? A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's Motor Mornings and it's Wednesday. Yeah. What the? That's not a gentleman's motor racing team mug. It's my mate Marcus. I love my mug, mate. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Right, what am I up to this morning? I've got to remember, I'm going to take these oil whales out, see if I can drill those out. There's one there and there's two on the other side, I think. Now I have to remember that it is 6 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to have to try and do this super quiet. And the only reason I'm doing that and nothing else is because I didn't get organised. I'm actually quite worried about what job I'm going to do tomorrow, so I need to make sure that I'm prepped for tomorrow, so I'm not just sat here going, I don't know what to do. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. More importantly, what are you doing this morning and what am I watching on YouTube? I'm watching Marcus's latest episode. This is a fantastic project. It's off the scale, really is. If you haven't seen it, go and check his channel out. Right.
Good morning, welcome to this special episode of Project Börnie. In this episode I will try to walk you through the process.
Look at that! Who's that?
Project Börnie, status of Project
Right.
Börnie, where I'm at.
Enjoy your Wednesday.
Börnie is my track day project. It wasn't supposed to be just a track day car, and it won't be a track day car because I love to eat ice cream. And so I want to be able to take it to town and be able to go out and have ice cream. But I also love to fabricate.
Stick with me on this. This may or may not work. I've got a tech screw that I've removed the rubber thingy on. I've got a washer. I've got just a random 11/16 socket, which I think is going to be big enough. A driver from an impact driver. Sorry neighbours, this is going to be quite noisy. Okay, my theory, which is mine, is if I waz that tech screw through there. Oh no, look, that's not going to work, Kev. You need those threads to engage in that, otherwise that's not going to grip and pull it out. You can see where I'm going with this, can't you?
What started out as a rusty shell might still have some scars from its old life, but have been given new push-rod suspension all around with Protex double adjustable coilovers, really nice stuff. 274 I think mil disc brakes with 4-pot calipers in the front and disc brakes in the rear. Originally I wanted to go with the 26 as I said, I like ice cream. I like to drive around in the summer and maybe have some friends in the back. So I needed to have the engine in the front. And
seen these things before? These are actually really designed for snapped off bolts, etc. So they're left-hand spiral threads. So you wind them in left-handed. But still, that's... And then you can unscrew them. But it's the fact that they're tapered made me think that they might be.
So you can see that that thought in my process of doing things it's there all the time. Trying not to cut away too much of the original floors to get one massive transmission tunnel. The transmission tunnel is quite small, but it fits the prop shaft and it fits the exhaust, but it doesn't need more.
This will be shouting at the screen going, Kev, so easy.
Some stars from its old drive, but new suspension all around with Protex double adjustable coil over, really nice stuff. 274, I think, will display.
Look at that.
I originally cut it out there. Had some stars from its old drive, but suspension all around with Protex double adjustable coil over.
Oh, Kev, I don't know if that's right.
274.
Oh, there is no right. That is the thing in the world, isn't it? There is no right, there is no wrong.
Front
There is only what
rear.
can and cannot be done.
I refuse to use a flip front because, well, the Mini didn't have one when it came from the factory. I refuse to extend the round nose to fit the bigger engine, and I would actually extend the front.
And that's my last chance because that's the end of the thread.
It's very long,
That-
but
I can have a bigger one.
that's for another time. The engine choice. There will be a big body turbo on it, and that's why I have 6.78. Very many points roll cage, because I need the car to be stiff.
Okay, now I think when I did started stripping the other one, my other engine builder mate on the island, Dutch Speed Engineering, John Dutch, he told me just to keep drilling until it gets really, really thin. So what size have I got here? 29/64. Who even knew that existed? Not me. Which is blunt as a blunty thing. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I suppose it makes it so thin, it just doesn't grip anymore. How did I forget that technique? That's much easier, isn't it? Oh well, there we go.
The plan is to go around 350, 400 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and it will be a blast to drive.
What is left to do? I think all I'm going to do is just give it a ruddy good clean.
I learned many things along the way doing this, and yeah, this is why, how, and yeah. So please like, subscribe, share, help me grow my channel. Yeah, it will be a blast to drive.
I've got just over 5 minutes to have a jolly good tidy up, because now look, it looks like a bloody bomb's gone off in here. Then it's time for breakfast. What's for breakfast? Porridge. Enjoy your Wednesday. See you tomorrow.